supposed to be 200% more light, and you got an 80 metre longer beam. Today it's time to do the headlights. I'll do a before and after, but on the Goldwing the headlights are, you know, the dip beam's pretty yellowish. It's not very good, and the main beam, well, the main beam's another thing. A good set of LEDs in there, and that'll give you better visibility on full beam at night. But the low beam, I'm going to try something different. I usually put LEDs in, but I don't know. I'm going to try these. These are Narva H7 globes, and these are supposed to be 200% more light, and you got an 80 metre longer beam, and it's the H7s that go on this bike. So I'll try fitting them and see how it goes. I've not got my camera stand. That's why I'm holding it like this. But however, I'll try these and see how it goes. Somebody says if you put LEDs in here, they're just too bright and they blind everybody. I don't know, because inside it's all grooved to reflect the light a specific way, so I don't know. I'm going to try these Narva H7s anyway, and see what it's like, and I'll do a before and after so as you get a rough idea. So I'll show you how to do this. So that's both bulbs in. They seem to be brighter. I don't know if the camera's picking it up though, it's quite hard to see, but to me that looks pretty brighter. And if you put main beam on, wherever it is, there's main beam on. Main beam's more just a yellowish glow, so I don't know. I think they're definitely a lot brighter, but the proof will be in the pudding when I've got it out in the road. I mean, it still looks pretty dim. I think the next step after that will be LED, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so that's it. It's pretty simple to do. So yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. So that's his Narva 200%. So anyway, I'll try it and see how it goes. Old bulbs, I suppose, nah, they're not worth keeping really. They've been used. They'll probably not be used again because I've touched the glass on them. So anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.